Welcome to the e-commerce profit and ads planner. This Start tab guides you through 3 simple steps: paste your sales, add your ad data, and track your profits and ROAS in real time.
In the Settings tab, we define the main parameters that drive the entire planner. Here you can set your currency, your VAT rate by country, and all the key platform and payment fees, for example, Shopify, Etsy, Amazon FBA, or your credit card processor like Stripe or PayPal. You can also configure your default shipping cost, the commission rates, and any custom scenario adjustments you want to simulate, such as promotions or discounts. These settings automatically feed the cost and margin calculations across the file, ensuring your dashboards, ROAS, and profitability data are always accurate. In the Sales_Raw tab, we import or paste our daily orders directly from Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, or any other platform we use. Here, we can enter key details such as the order date, sales channel, SKU, unit price, quantity sold, and any discounts, shipping costs, commissions, or VAT related to each sale. Once the data is entered, the planner automatically calculates your real product cost, margin per sale, and VAT impact, while generating profitability alerts when your margin drops below target. This sheet is the foundation of all analytics, keeping your numbers accurate, structured, and ready for the dashboard insights. The Calculations tab is where all the data from your sales and ads comes together. Here, the planner automatically combines your product costs, shipping, fees, VAT, and ad spend to calculate your real profit margins. It also computes key performance metrics such as ROAS, real CPA, and the break-even CPA, helping you understand exactly how much you can spend per conversion while staying profitable. This sheet acts as the analytical core of the planner, transforming raw data into clear insights that power the dashboard and your business decisions. Finally, the dashboard brings everything together in one clear view. It shows your net margin, ROAS by channel, daily sales trends, and your top-performing SKUs. You can instantly see which sales channels and ad campaigns are most profitable, giving you full control to focus your budget where it really works.